This way, that way, that way. Yes, so don't be for anybody. Hey guys, good afternoon. Today is another day. This toilet looks familiar. So I said good afternoon, like you guys will be watching while. So today is I'm hosting an event again. This toilet looks familiar because I hosted the 1.0 my baby's event, that is Zara Forex Chick Mind Over Chat, and I look so good. So I'm really, my battery is dying, I'm tired, I've not had anything to eat all day because we are fasting, but it's supposed to be my eating time already, but we're still doing the event. And after the event I have a wedding to attend. Like, this is actually a big one, so I'm going to be leaving here to the event in like say 1 hour, but I have to eat first because like the wedding, I say event, yeah, I'm looking good and all that. Well, yeah, you must have seen clips. I'm trying as much as possible. From the other vlog, you'd have seen this event and this toilets. So I'm trying as much as possible to be a YouTuber because I have a lot on my hands. I'll speak about this later, Sha. But that is the gist.
Jump
on you. Yes, I must not make that mistake.
My sister, let me go and
turn in front, Abby. Because see them now, they are just waiting for the next scapegoat.
Instead of them, no, don't turn there. The next thing they say,
especially in this Yaba. This Yaba self, if they not catch you, camera will catch you. They will now find you. Hello guys, I don't know what is going on in Lagos, but it is hot. Like, it is so hot, like it is insane. See the way I just had my bath and see the way I'm sweating. Like, everywhere is hot. It is so crazy, it is so hot. So I want to go and get my hair done, and I want to go and install a frontal because I want to do a shoot for my business, like a love collection. Today is actually Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. Yeah, so you see I got my nails done, all red, and I'm going to install the frontal in this heat. I don't know how I'm going to, because I want to keep that hair on throughout the weekend because I have a job and I want to look like really cute to work. I mean, my videography job where I make videos for, I have a wedding this weekend. So yeah, so let me go and install my hair, and I don't know how I'm going to leave from, today is Wednesday. I don't know how I'm going to leave from Wednesday till Sunday, because I'm going to take it out on Sunday because whew, yeah, so that's the gist. I want to go. I tried to get this hair done yesterday, but they didn't allow me. Like, it was just crazy yesterday. It was so hot. Like, but now I think I'm trying to come to terms with the fact that I have to live with this heat. So that's what I'm going to do this morning. Today is actually going to be a long day. I just finished a business call with like a meeting, a meeting. So after that, yeah, today's going to be a long day. This week is going to be a really long week, and I think I'm pumped and ready for it because I feel, yeah, so help me God. So we'll see you guys later. Yes, so please, I'm in a tight schedule. I'm in a tight schedule. They say my bride price is let me see, like how much? I just mentioned, maybe they say my bride price is like 500k. You will not double it. I will double it. Aye! No, that they don't need to charge too much in our place. So that... charge myself. Hey! I'll go 50 million. Oh yeah, nah, don't worry.